To create Peter Griffin in Infinite Craft, first take water, add water over water to create lake, add earth to create a swamp, add earth again to create mud, then add swamp over the mud to create quagmire, then take water, add fire over the water to create steam, add steam to create a cloud, add a cloud to create rain, add cloud again to make a rainbow. Take mud and add over the rainbow to create a pig. Add fire over the pig to make bacon. Take fire and add fire over fire to create a volcano. Add the volcano over the bacon to make a baconator, and add the baconator to quagmire to create Peter Griffin. And that's how you make Peter Griffin in Infinite Craft. Thanks for watching.